What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Let's talk about it because it is a big debate on Twitter about this Rissa and QUAN situation. Now, a lot of people are saying it's a skit. A lot of people are saying it's real. QUAN giving people mixed signal. Rissa acting like ain't nothing going on between them. And it's like nobody don't know what's really going on. Now, let's talk about the situation. Let's talk about the clues now. So Rissa is letting it be known that, hey, I'm with QUAN. I'm at the hospital with QUAN. QUAN, on the other hand, he just posted his he never said I'm with Rissa or anything. And I got an issue with that. You know, they holding each other hands like they are a happy couple, but at the same time, they still unfollowing each other on IG. Yesterday, Rissa and QUAN put out a video and they clickbait the audience. And they turned the comment section off. And a lot of people find that kind of being weird. Now, before I voice my opinion on that clickbait video that Rissa and QUAN put out, let's talk about what we know about the breakup. Because a lot of people are assuming that they didn't break up, it's a prank. But we gonna go what QUAN said. QUAN said he's single for life on his sister, right? So we gotta question that. He said on his sister. He never said on my deceased sister, on my late sister, on my sister Tiffany. He said sister. QUAN got another sister. Remember when Rissa posted a family vacation and QUAN got pissed? He ran to social media and he uploaded this. And at the end, he said, out of the respect of my kids, I'm going to spare her. So a lot of people was like, oh, how y'all going to accuse Rissa of doing something when they never said anything? Duh. QUAN said, I'm going to spare her. Who else he talking about? He's talking about Rissa. So what you mean we assuming that Rissa did something? QUAN said it, not us. And another thing that I do want to talk about. Now, remember Rissa tweets that she was posting on Twitter saying that QUAN was reacting off his emotions. People go through things, they say things out of anger, right? And we all can agree to that. Y'all got to look at how the way QUAN is moving with Rissa. He don't upload Rissa in his videos. He was taking Rissa out the angle, but Rissa, on the other hand, she still got QUAN pictures up on her social media. You know, she still adding him in the videos. You know, she making it seem like everything is going good between them. And that's where the confusion comes from between Rissa and QUAN. QUAN moving like he's single. Rissa still acting like they together. Anywho, let's get to the video that they posted yesterday. Now, yesterday they posted a clickbait video. And I want to talk about the thumbnail because it's very important. Y'all got to pay attention to these YouTubers, right? Rissa and QUAN claimed that that video was already pre-recorded. Possibility, it can be already pre-recorded. I pre-record videos all the time. But if it was a pre-recorded video before the breakup, because they was actually getting along, they was in the same house, why would y'all pose like y'all mad at each other in the thumbnail when their whole entire video ain't really have anything to do with relationship issues? You know, it could have been a happy thumbnail. They posted a mad looking thumbnail with a broken heart in the middle, right? And they clickbait the title. What was the purpose of clickbaiting the title? Either you doing this for views to run y'all algorithm up because y'all was not posting, you know, good content and people was not watching like they usually watch. Why clickbait the title and confuse the people to make it seem like you and QUAN was about to talk about what y'all was going through? They keep saying the same thing. Sorry for the confusion. Sorry for the confusion. Nobody ain't confused but y'all. It's like the only confused people around here is Rissa and QUAN. One still stuck in a relationship. One is saying they single. This is how I know it's a prank. Because when two people break up, both parties know they broken up. Both parties know we ain't together. If y'all was so mad at each other, y'all holding hands. How the way QUAN came to the internet, dramatic as hell, making it seem like it was the end of the world. Talk about he gonna expose her. He couldn't eat. He wish he changed things in his life. It's always clickbait. And at the end of the day, we can't even get mad at them because it's entertainment purposes only.